Good evening, YouTube. Bill number 3 down here in the Carolinas. We're working on a budget down here. Our budget is we broke. Well, you get old nasty solder board like this. Try to get all the salt off of it. And I usually, get the iron, get it hot and get it up sitting up sideways like it and just knock it off. Does a pretty good job like that, but it gets salt all over the place. Trying to think of a better way to do it. I've been doing this for quite a while, but ain't nobody really got to see it. And I ain't I don't want to spend the money, I ain't got the money to buy one of them solder suckers. Wife says I say it wrong. I say sorta. She says it's supposed to be solder. I don't know. We're down here in the South. We say shit different, So here I got a vacuum cleaner. Put a little brass fitting on it that pulled out of the junk drawer. I put some new tape on it a while ago. Tape done got old, so I put some new on it. Just thought I'd show y'all this. It's gonna be loud here in a minute because vacuum cleaner's loud. I'm trying to set this camera up somewhere where I can get the view of it. Ain't nobody but here but old number 3. On my little old phone. I'll take and turn my vacuum cleaner on. It's solder hot. Take it right off the board. I'll pop this up. Get a better angle on it. It'll run down. See that? Clean up around the power wire, something like it. I mean, this will help you out. Clean up them old boards. Don't leave much solder out, but you can make it look pretty again. At least to get it out of the way. And you can put some new down. This ain't gonna get 100% of it up. But say I done put a hot wire down on here. Got a whole bunch of old solder left. I can suck it right up with this thing. Don't cost me nothing. I got it. I got it. I got it. Here's some I got out the other day. I filled the inside of the tube up. Got all that stuff out there. Cleaned the board up. Well, that's probably a half a pound of solder right there. Cleaned up some more boards. Good thing is, it didn't cost me nothing. I'm buy some more caps. I'm buy some more transistors. I'm buy a lot of things to play with instead of just spend it on tools that I don't need. I'd like to have them, but I don't have them. And whenever you got to work, hell, make it work. Bill number 3 down here. My super soda sucker. Later.